Hello everybody, I'm Leo.
And I'm Marie.
And we are the Traveling Lovebirds. We are here. We stumbled across this.
On Route 9, we're going to Smithville. It's called the Edwin B. Forsythe National Wildlife Refuge Trail. It's 47,000 acres located down here in southern New Jersey. And it's managed by the Fish and Wildlife Commission here.
So you could either walk it, or you could drive it. Today we're going to drive it. It's going to be a nice drive because it's a beautiful day. We have some sunshine here in Jersey. It's for a change.
Yay.
In about for like 20 days of
literally
no sun and clouds.
Rain.
So we're excited. We got out of the house. We're about 45 minutes away from home. And it's in the Smithville area. What town is this, Marie?
It's Atlantic County.
It's Atlantic County,
I don't know if
Smithville.
It's Obsecon. It just says South Jersey.
Galloway. Maybe it's Galloway. Could be Galloway. We'll find out for sure. I'm pretty sure it's Galloway.
I'm going to read all this.
Here we go.
Edwin B. Forsythe's Refuge and Brigantine and Barnegat divisions were originally two distinct refuges, established in 1939 and 1967 respectively to protect tidal, wetland, and shallow bay habitat for migratory water birds such as the snow goose, Atlantic brant, and the American black duck. In 1984, they were combined under the Edwin B. Forsythe name in honor of the late Conservationist Congress from New Jersey. Yeah, so like I said, it's...
So it's pretty neat because wait till you see this because it's going to be really nice. Let's see. Let's check it out.
So this is like a self-guided tour, and it'll show us, like when we get to each sign, it'll give us information about what we should be looking for. So let's just see, you know.
Take you along with us on this memory. Here we go. I don't know if the butterflies are going to be out this time of year, but you never know. Look at all those baby pine cones. So we're gonna drive slow.
Yeah, we're gonna take the self-guided tour, and we're gonna see like little blue goose signs. And they're each
There's
of them
the
are
visitor
numbered.
center.
Yeah,
there's the visitor center. Doesn't look like it's open, but
it's closed.
yeah. Oh, no gift shop. So we went the first week in February. There is an admission for there's an entrance fee for the park. But there was nobody there to collect anything. So maybe they don't have it for the winter months. They just let it go free. So I guess it depends on what time you come. So here's a little information on what they charge. I bet you this place is hopping during the summer. That's the only thing I could think of. We're gonna have to come here during the summer and see what it's like. Shorter, it's two-way traffic, and it's a gold palm.
Yeah, it's like a short to get to the tower.
So this way is an 8-mile drive, one-way traffic for 8 miles.
It says the water around us is fresh water flowing from Doughty Creek and Lily Lake. So we'll see. We're gonna look at water birds such as black and allard ducks, wading birds such as snowy and great egrets, and aerial water birds such as forsters, terns, and occasionally a black skimmer.
Okay. So Marie is reading an app.
Well, from the website. It's gonna have like a little so we'll show, and it has a number, and for each number I'll read a little bit synopsis on each one. But
where?
All those ducks over there.
Oh wow, there's the black ones. So they're black and white. What's with those, Marie?
I don't know which one's which, but a lot out today, huh?
Yeah, so these are just, they're big.
Yeah, they're all different kinds of ducks.
Let me see if I could bring it in a little closer. Uh-oh, he's waving at us.
They're cute. Some are big, some are little.
They're just taking their baths.
Yeah, pan around me. Look at this. There's the Atlantic City. Look at this.
Yeah,
if you're in the Atlantic City area, it's a nice thing to
it's in
visit.
the Atlantic City area. There's the casinos right there.
It's valuable, $4 a car, you know. Just drop the envelope in. So
This is really nice. I mean, if you like this kind of stuff,
it's just something different.
this would be good.
Something to get you out. It's a little drive. I like it. He's got.
See, a lot of people take photography. Oh, look at, there's little ducks right here.
Yeah. We should get our traveling lovebirds bird watching scope like him, huh?
Yeah. Look at them all. He's got some
All right, so number 4. Freshwater is a critical resource in the salt marsh environment. The 900-acre West Pool to your left is specifically managed to attract and support a wide variety of migratory birds, water birds. Each year, waterfowl, wading birds, and shorebirds use this site for resting, drinking, feeding, and bathing. So you kind of sit here and watch for, you know, freshwater loving birds such as wood ducks during the spring and fall. In the fall and winter, look for American black ducks, which is what we saw. It looks like.
That's what these are, yeah.
And spectacular flocks of Atlantic brand that fly in the daily near saltwater bays to drink and wash salt residues from their feathers. That's so cool.
Yeah.
You can't see it, but we'll show like past the.
Yeah, there's signs. There's numbered signs that are. Let me see if I could get a picture of one for you, so I could show you. And they're Marie's reading from the app, and for each numbered sign it gives you a little bit of a detail about what we're looking at, which is really cool. Oh, there's some close-ups of some wood ducks.
It's so cute. Are that mallard or a wood duck?
I don't know.
That's the only thing it doesn't show on this.
Because it depends on what season. Wow, I don't know what kind of bird that is, but that's a weird looking bird, Marie.
In the pools is regulated by water control structures along the dikes. Pool water levels are changed to produce abundant wildlife, food plants, which grow on the muddy bottoms. See how muddy the bottom is?
Oh, yeah.
And to meet other habitat requirement of wetland mammals and migratory birds. This impoundment receives heavy wildlife use in the fall when waterfowl linger here to feed on the plentiful spike rush plant before heading south for the winter. During late spring, summer, water to trope for tiny food organisms. At high tide, water at the marsh edge may be deep enough to attract Foster's terns and black skimmers. It says watch for horseshoe crabs spawning at Turtle Cove in May and June, and for shorebirds to come along and feed on crab eggs.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a day. This is nice. We're shining like the sun today. It's about time, right? You could go up on there and you could see these black ducks right from the tower. That's neat. I like that.
So the waters, this is called Turtle Cove in the salt marsh. So the waters in the salt marsh and Turtle Cove are affected by how the tides of the ocean flow in and out twice a day, you know? So the water level is fluctuating twice a day. It invites shorebirds, promotes growth of plants, uses wildlife and food nest cover. And says watch for goslings starting in April and for ducklings beginning in mid-May. It also says to watch for horseshoe crabs spawning at Turtle Cove in May and June. And you can't go along the shoreline here to walk along because they don't want you to disturb the wildlife in that area.
Okay, that's understandable. They don't want you walking along the beach. It almost looks like a little beach over here.
Yeah.
With the sand and everything on this side.
Alright, this is called the East Pool. It's a 700-acre tidal impoundment, and it's open to the saltwater tides. It's popular for shorebirds foraging the area. Again, here water levels fluctuate with the tides, and the mud flats support the rich diversity in invertebrates important for the diets of many shorebirds. It says we should look for sandpipers and plovers along the muddy edges of this from August through early September, when large flocks come to comb these mud flats in search of their food.
There's something over there on the, I don't know what that's, some kind of wildlife right there.
nesting and brood-rearing habitat for American black ducks and other species which use this area. Seasonal mowing of the dike edges around here are to promote more efficient pool water circulation and lessens disease risk and stuff. So that's cool. So they keep their little nest.
They're just moving along. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I think they're happy that the sun is shining too. I heard one of them say this is the place to be. Look at this. He's trying to cross the road. There he goes.
Oh, that's just a seagull.
That's a seagull. That's a big boy.
It's Sully's cousin. He's after something, though.
Yeah. It's one of those dark
seagulls. There's another big one, too. Oh, he just dropped something.
Oh, that's
so
what they were after. You never know what you're gonna see here. It's all like, you know, only birds and yeah. It's like it felt like around this time though. Yeah. We've been having a lot of rain. Did you know you are standing where a railroad once passed? No kidding. There was railroad tracks right through here. From 1890 to 1903, hundreds of people traveled to and from a Bringington train. A 14-mile set of tracks ran from the island to the station of Pomona. Wow. No kidding. Did you know that the remnants of the wooden trestle can still be seen today in the back bay? Isn't that amazing? I like that kind of stuff like that.
Yeah.
How about that, huh? And then we just keep on trucking at 15 miles an hour. You can't really go too fast because there's a lot of dust and a lot of bumps here.
Yeah, but I think it's just to protect the wildlife.
Well, that too, yeah.
You know?
Sure.
Feel the weight, sea of weight.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a lot of weight. They're probably going to be coming up and telling us what they are. What are they, Marie? You think those are seagulls?
It is. That looks like seagulls, so now we know where they all go.
Yeah. They come over here to sleep.
Yeah. Very appropriate.
We love birds, as you can tell. Fascinating animals, how they could just leap up and fly away. Isn't that amazing? Right?
Yeah. These are definitely.
There's an empty nest, though. That one's empty. No, but I mean, that one has no nest on it.
Well, I think when they come, they nest on it.
Oh, okay. I thought the one in the back had some. I'm sure there's some turtles around here somewhere.
Yeah, but I don't know if they'll be out.
Yeah.
ones were out.
That's what I think that is.
No, it still looks like seagulls.
Oh. Now these guys wouldn't be taking pictures of seagulls. Yep.
They're really pretty though. Maybe they're like swans.
I don't know.
You should ask them. What kind of bird? What kind are these called?
Pardon me?
What are these called? The white,
The white ones?
Yeah.
Snow geese.
Oh, those are the snow geese.
Yeah, there's some here.
Yeah.
Sometimes I went to Bosque dell'Apache in October or
Yeah.
December. The amount of those that are there in
there?
the cranes, it's
Yeah,
unbelievable.
We
It's
didn't even see any cranes here yet.
well, no, the cranes are out there. They're coming from Colorado, so they go there in the cornfields to feed. But the amount of snow geese is unbelievable.
Oh,
No
really?
kidding.
Another guy was telling me, I live in Toronto, so he was telling me it's Bombay in Delaware
Okay.
or
Bombay?
Bombay Hook.
Oh, okay.
Well, he said there's even more of them there.
Really?
Yeah, they
Wow.
come down from northern Canada. They migrate, right? I think there's a lot of them over there.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So
Yeah,
whenever
we'll
they
go
take
check it.
off, come back and forth, right? They feed, then they blast off.
Oh, that's so cool.
Have you seen the blast off? Oh
No.
God, if they blast, see if I'm gonna wait till it gets dark and see if like
They
you gotta
might
leave
do
it.
that, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, they go at once.
Yeah,
That's
they
kind of
all
amazing.
do. I know.
It's kind of amazing.
All right.
Okay, have
Thank
a
you
good
so
day.
much.
Thank
you
you,
too.
you too.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Not from Ontario. He's from Toronto.
Big thing is when they up and take off.
They call it the
Everybody-
blast off.
The
Yeah.
blast off, they all wait for
They
that.
all go together. Like one little family. Okay, so what's this here now? Number.
This one,
Yeah.
11. And this is number 11.
Okay, it says to like look for the small bridge over several access points, and that allows for the tidal waters to flow in and out of these pools, you know, to refresh and renew the pool, introducing new food sources and revealing mud flats for foraging birds looking for food, which we saw back there.
Hmm.
Okay.
It's amazing how they have.
Looks like a crane. Are you sure that's not a crane there? That's a crane.
Is it?
Oh, that's like totally a crane. It's a big seagull.
Yeah, I saw one of those. I have a picture of one of those
Really?
from the other side.
Or a
yeah.
big owl. This one's having a hard time holding his food in his mouth. He's picking it up, dropping it, picking it up, dropping it.
Yeah.
Really does provide a, looks like a small little fish, that one. That he got.
Did he get it?
Yeah, he's eating it. Just chopping it all up.
Huh. But that's a seagull.
Yeah.
That's a fish. He's got in his mouth.
So, yeah.
Looks like it. Shine like the sun. Mm-mm-mm. Haven't seen you in a long time.
It's setting, but
Don't
still
go
don't
away.
take it. Don't go
Yeah.
away too long.
Come on back now, you hear? number 12.
Those ditches in the pool are important to wildlife and provide deeper water in which the fish and tiny invertebrates can thrive. These species are important in the diets of wading birds and young fowl. Ditches also promote more efficient pool water circulation, oxygen and whatnot. So we learned that before.
Well, he's got something in his mouth too. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. What are they feeding off of? Yeah. See, they're feeding off the island. I want to see the blast off. Oh, look at the rain done.
Is that a doghouse? The tower to the left on the dike separating the west pool from the east pool is a nesting platform for peregrine falcons. They nest in the igloo-shaped structure on top of the tower, which provide a measure of protection for their young.
I don't see it though. Where's the doghouse?
Large muddy area visible here have been created by thousands of those snow geese that stop here to fall and rest and feed. Snow geese have an appetite for the roots. Once they have uprooted and eaten the grasses in the area, they move on, leaving muddy eat out behind. Little muddy areas right here, yeah. All the grass. They're hungry.
These are all trails and stuff
Hiking
here.
trails, yeah.
The hiking trails. This is where they would come out. We just passed one exit, and there's a couple of them. I guess whichever trail you decide to take.
It says trail cutouts allow visitors to modify the route, providing a 3.5 mile and 1.9 mile option. Jen's Trail is a 0.8 mile loop and is also accessible. A trail map can be obtained, which I think you saw. You took pictures of that.
And here's the
So we're entering the Refuge Uplands. These fields are maintained in the midst of naturally occurring forests in order to increase habitat diversity for wildlife. Many animal species thrive along the wood field edge, feeding in one habitat and using the other for cover and nesting. Field field vegetation changes are controlled by periodic mowing. These grassy areas will let them manage the natural process of plant succession without ultimately transforming into forest. Upland edge dwellers such as deer, rabbits, and songbirds are frequently visible from the road.
Yeah, see down here, 19, they have an overlook.
Waterfowl, but it's also a good place to view birds such as the orchid oriole, as well as the white-tailed deer. We're running out of time where we'd watch it because the park closes at dusk, but unfortunately we can't do that now. But it just overlooks basically what we've been just looking at.
We'll have to come back and do that when it's warmer, actually,
look
too.
Look at this. There was a fire over here.
What?
Over here to the right. A raging fire destroyed most of the vegetation in this area in 1965.
Oh.
In 2007, Go Zero program contributed 981 trees to the refuge to restore this area. You'll to observe there's few trees remaining and that those remain are not particularly robust. The condition of the donated trees in this area demonstrates some of the challenges encountered.
No kidding. Wow.
They're not that big.
That's
not big as these trees.
Yeah, that looks like right there. Looks like they've been.
No, that's the older trees, but there's no trees over in this area.
Oh,
So
these
it
are
looks
the.
like those trees they planted
are
there, these little.
Oh, okay.
They're not that big yet, so that's probably where.
And when did this fire happen? In the
You can see
60s?
some of the burn, yeah.
In the 60s, and that's all that tree grew.
I know.
Grew?
Well, they planted, I guess, yeah. Look at how bigger the trees are in the back.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, the sun's starting to set now.
Yeah. Basically, this is the Pinelands. This refuge on the edge of New Jersey Pine Barrens is really a special place. Today, as throughout history, human beings depend on health and vitality of the Pinelands ecosystems. So, you know, you'll find scenery, habitats, all different animals, plant species in this
Jersey
island.
Devil?
Biodiversity. Right, they say he was born around here.
Yeah.
The Pinelands are the largest surviving open space on the eastern shore board between northern forests of Maine and the Everglades in Florida. The Pinelands are classified as a United States Biosphere Reserve in 1978 and established by Congress as the country's first national reserve. It includes portions of 7 southern New Jersey counties. So it's pretty much all South Jersey.
Wow.
Some of the trail ends here too.
Yeah, there's another trail entrance, or
Yeah, the hiking trails.
another entrance there, or exit.
Getting dark. I'm afraid of Jersey Devil now. You stay away.
Gotta watch out for joggers too here when you're coming through.
Yeah, and deer. You know.
Oh wow,
How
there's
about this house just in the
there's
middle
a
of
house
nowhere?
right there. In the middle of. They could get on this tour anytime they want.
Yeah.
This is a long road to get out of, huh?
Yeah. That's why I said gotta get moving because I know it's.
Well, I saw the forest ranger was coming down, probably to see how
Take everybody out.
how many people were left here. But it's 5:08 and it's still not completely dark yet. Oh, look at that's nice. That's very nice.
Beautiful.
Look at that. That one's See the hiking trails? Now this right here,
Yeah.
You can't back up. You see those things? I haven't seen them in a long time. Those things right there, I've never seen those in a long time. But they put them here so you can only go out. You can't come in because you'll get 4 flat tires. And they warn you about it. Do not back up after crossing.
Go to the wildlife.
All right, so that was it.
Very interesting.
I know, we didn't see much of...
I thought we did. I thought we saw much more than we did the last time.
Well, we didn't see like a lot of different types of birds. Like we didn't see the... What was it, the seal?
Oh yeah, the seal we didn't see.
We didn't see many turtles.
No.
You know, but we saw a lot of ducks and birds and seagulls.
Yeah.
But I don't know, maybe next time.
I think we got a good enough amount of interesting things. I had a good time.
I actually think it depends on what time of year you come.
It is. Yeah, like what I read off the website, so.
Yeah, there's different, you know, you see different things.
Yeah.
It was a nice little ride. You know, I hope you enjoy the video.
Photography, this is definitely the place to do it. This is really one of those great places. You like hiking, the trails, wonderful. You know, we kind of have to wrap it up because it's sunset and the rangers kind of circling around behind us. So, but thanks for watching. We appreciate it. You know,
thanks for coming. On this memory with us.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yep.
It costs nothing.
Give a thumbs up. Leave a comment. What your favorite place to go and hang out or whatever. Leave us a comment if you liked it. Ring that notification bell and subscribe. It does cost you nothing. You know, it helps us, makes us feel good, you know, that you guys like us and we like you and we love you all, and thank you for all our subscribers. And with that, thank you for sharing this memory.
You could even share this video if you want.
Share, yeah. God bless and stay well.
Till the next memory. See you then.
What a day. It's the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day.